Hello and welcome to the next tutorial of Nafhaa. In this tutorial, we'll be seeing the Cashbook module. So Cashbook module is listed under here account section over here, or here you can search it from the search menu given here. So once you click on this Cashbook link, you will be redirected to this page. It can be a landing page for the Cashbook. Here you will be able to see all the list of records which are added in the Cashbook. So Cashbook is a very important module in bookkeeping or accounting. Here we will be adding all receipt, voucher, bank transfer entries. Okay, so here you have this columns, and you can even uh, change the width of column. You can even change the sequence of columns. You can even sort them by the column name. Just click on the column name and the record or list will be sorted by the selected column. So even it can be ascending or descending. So like if you want to have type as the column next to the customer name, and ledger should be a second column, date should be, so you can align it as per your convenience. Even you can select for which columns you need and which columns you don't need, like project and company are not related to me, branch is not needed, so I can just click on the hide option over here and they will go into hidden columns. If you want to see any hidden column, just click on it here on a visible show, or just click this and drag and drop here. Okay, click OK and your columns will be made as per your convenience or as per your selection. And this view, whatever you are changing, like you have changed the width of column, you have changed the sequence of column, you have made some hidden column hidden, some column visible. So all these settings will be saved for your user and they will not affect other users, so all of the users can have their own view. Then you have a quick search where you can just type any query and search any record. You can add a new entry from here. You can refresh the list here. Column picker we seen just some time before. You can apply the filters like date, type, ledger, to ledger, or sub ledger, customer name, bank name, approved by branch and project. So you can apply these filters and filter the record list of the record, or even you can apply the multiple filters. So once you apply the filters, select the columns what you want, you can just export the data to Excel and PDF as a report, so it can be a dynamic reporting. Here even you can print the records for the entries done, and you can even reset the preferences as we changed the sequence of column, we changed the width of column, we made some column hidden. So these are called as preferences in Nafhaa. And if you want to restore them to default, like which were at first when we logged into the module, so you can reset them to the default by clicking this option. Then you have Cashbook settings. So this is very important, where you can configure any options into your module for a portal. So you can enable taxation in receipt voucher entries, you can validate invoice amounts when you are ending the invoices bifurcation. Then when you click allow linking of Cashbook entry, this Cashbook receipt and voucher entries will be linked to your transactions like sales and purchase. Even you can enable automail to sundry creditors and debtors. So there are such options, you can explore them. You can, once you hover them, they will get the details like what needs to be done, or what will be the use of this option once it is enabled. So you can customize the things as per your business flow into the Cashbook module. So next to it you have a detail view. Then you have templates. So like sundry debtors and creditors entries are mostly done frequently, you can just use this template to fasten up the data entry. So like we will see how the new record is added. So just click on new entry, select the date, select the type, whether it's credit or debit amount. So if it is credit, then you can select any like uh, commission received, for example. If you want to create sub ledgers, you have a sub ledger master. These are all standard accounting heads and they will be available as a default entries into your application. You can go ahead and create your own ledgers too. So sub ledger can be created, this is an optional thing. Then what is the credit amount, as we have selected the credit, and you can just select the payment type, like whether it's a cash, check, or a bank transfer. If it is a check and bank transfer application, you can enter the bank for by which the payment has been made to you, by check or bank transfer. If it is cash, then bank will be not visible. Then you can you can add the narration, and representative is one by whom this record is created, and the brand selection. So you can save this, and and even you can print this receipt or voucher entry. You can send it over mail, and if it is a Sunday debtor or creditor, the outstanding balance of that current party, a customer or vendor, can be seen over here itself. So this is how to enter the new entry. As we did many of the steps, if you want to cut it short for Sunday debtors and creditors, you can just select the template, and application will set the type as credit Sunday debtor. You now just need to select the customer name and add the amount over here and select the payment type. And as it's a debtor account, you can even add the invoice wise bifurcation, like if there is a customer and for which you are adding like 50,000 of customer is paying you 50,000, but it is for multiple invoices. So you can even go to the invoice detail, select the invoice number, automatically the amount will be fetched. You can select the date and add the amount invoice wise bifurcation, like 1 2 3 invoices are there, and or 4 5 invoices are there, and 10,000 is to be distributed to all invoices. Even you can see the outstanding balance for the selected invoice. So this is the templates to cut it short to make the faster data entries. Here you can even drag and drop the column names here and do the grouping of data, and this is very advanced feature. You can explore the video of how to do drag drop grouping, and it can be a very good view, like pivoting in Excel, etc., like that. And you have even edit filter. This is another yet powerful feature where you can use very dynamic filters, and you can generate dynamic any kind of reporting. So please go ahead and explore this video too. So this was all about the Cashbook module. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.